What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Train Spotters. Today I am back at the walkway crossing in Newmarket, and just take a look at this beautiful sunset right in front of me. And today I'm joined by the you-know-what-who. It's
Tyler M.
Yeah, and we're hearing the GO train that has a bad horn. It just went through Mulelock Drive. Maybe it's going through Fairy Lake.
Yeah, Fairy Lake right now, I should say. Yeah, it must be going through, Green Lane. Oh, it's running thing, Davis Drive.
Yeah.
I wonder what cab car this is.
Okay, so it's a 12-car train just departing the Newmarket GO station. It's picking up speed all right. Terrible horn. So we have cab car 315. Old cab car 231. And we have MP40 engine 644. There it goes on the way down to East Gwillimbury. This is mile 34.89 on the Newmarket sub. Let's get a better look at that train. Just gonna go through East Gwillimbury. Can't quite see it because the trees are in the way. Anyways, there it goes. We'll be back for train number 2. A few minutes later. Okay, so I don't know if you can see that, but there's the train. It's a Newark cab car, and it's at Newmarket GO right now, as you can see. Anyways, the headlights should pop on soon, so I'm gonna pause it for now. Okay guys, the train is now departing Newmarket GO. Hogger is gonna wave to us. He's gonna do a big horn show, let me tell you. Let's be prepared for that wave. There we go. Here we go, the big horn show. And the engineer's name is Hogger. Captain 323. Emergency horn blast. Wow, with the shave and a haircut. And we have MP54 engine 647, which used to be an MP40. And there it goes. Now that was the best horn show we ever got. Like, ever. Just watched it. And there it goes. There it goes.